Hey guys, welcome to this session. Our topic is climate. We are discussing the factors affecting the climate. The first video we discussed the 5 of the factors which affect the climate. So in this video, we'll finish the other 5 factors that affects the climate. Let's start with the wind and the air masses. Basically, wind carries moisture with it as it flows. Now, the warm wind blowing over a cold region warms the cold region over which it flows. However, if maybe the wind is cold, it cools the region. Warm, moist wind blowing towards a cold, dry region may lead to the formation of rainfall in the destination region, as since this moist wind can contribute to the rain formation. Now, cold or dry wind blowing over a dry region brings no rain, and if the blowing is repeated over several years, it may cause aridity in that region. So this is how wind and the air masses can affect the climate of a region at a period of time. Let's see the alignment of the coastline. This is the other factor that affects the climate. The alignment of the coastline, this refers to the arrangement of the region's coastline in relation to the direction of the wind. Now, if the wind blows across the coastline, they cause rainfall. If the wind blow in parallel to the coastline, they cause drought. So how the coastlines are aligned are related to the winds, how they blow will also affect the climate of given coastal region. The third one is the intertropical convergence zone. This is the low pressure area around the equator. The moist winds meet within this region, whereby the places further away from this region experience only one rainy season, while the places close to the zone experience 2 seasons of heavy rainfall. This is because the winds converge around this region twice a year. So how the region is placed related to this zone will determine its climate in a given period of time. The other factor is forest. Areas that are covered with forests normally receive high rainfall as compared to those with little or no vegetation. This is because of the high rates of evaporation and transpiration, which leads to the high humidity. Therefore, these areas often receive high amounts of rainfall and they have a modified climate. So places where there are large forests will receive high rainfall since there will be a high rate of evaporation and transpiration that contribute to the rain formation, while the places where there are no forests will experience little rainfall. So this specifically will determine the climatic condition of a place. The other factor is human activities. A range of human activities such as agriculture, mining, transportation, construction, etc. affects the climate. For instance, maybe clearing of the forest to get land for agriculture and the settlements leads to the loss of biodiversity, making the land arid and unproductive. So the distribution of various human activities within regions will determine also the climate of a region, since these activities contribute or affect the climate in large capacity. As we've taken an example, clearing of forests that contribute to the rain formation. If there is a large clearing of these forests, will lead to the aridity of the land and the unproductivity of the land. So it affects the climatic condition of a region. So I hope it's clear, guys. Thank you for listening. We've discussed the factors that affects the climate. Until here, we are done with all the factors that can affect the climate. Thank you.